Good morning, everyone. Today I have gold analysis for you with over 500 pips prediction. So stay tuned. Let's have a look at the current situation. We are at the 1-to-1 FIBO extensions. Okay. 1-to-1, so this wave is equal this one, so 1-to-1. We are 100%. This level was tested once, second, third, and fourth, so very possible breakout. But this is not the trade I'm talking about, although there might be something. If you go to the 5 minutes chart, you might get a nice triangle here, so just keep watching. There might be a triangle with a breakthrough up, but this is like an extra formation. Just keep eye on it. At this moment, what we are interested in is, let me draw a FIBO extension for you. First of all, we are interested in 38.2 in this level. So 100 pips away, we have 38.2, and we are interested in selling of this level up to 78.6. So that's our over 500 pips. And let me explain you why we want to do that. So first of all, let's have a look what happened last year. Last year we got very similar situation. This swing XA. Let's connect the dots. XAB up to 61.8 or down to 61.8, and then 38.2, as you can see, a little bit higher this time, and then 78.6 with a head and shoulders formation at this level. That was our Gartley last year on D1. Very strong formation and move of over 1,200 pips. This time we are not waiting for 78.6. I suggest we attack point C, which is at 38.2. So mirroring this formation, that would be this move, which is 600 pips. And now we have exactly the same. Let's just get rid of this FIBO. Okay, so now we have exactly the same situation. This is very common that one formation turns into another, as you can see. So we have XAB at 61.8. This is our B61.8 here. And now we should go to 38.2 and then drop to 78.6. So you can see exactly the same formation. For now we are only at 61.8, so it's quite early to tell if it will happen or not, but there are some very strong signals for it to complete this formation. If we have a look at this consolidation that happened here and we measure it, we have the exactly big FIBO 161.8, as you can see, aligning with 78.6 with our D point, as well 78.6 aligning perfectly with 38.2. So this is like another confirmation that this formation This is very possible to happen. Another thing is that if we put the MMD clouds, which you know I like to use in my daily trading, you can see that on the 4-hour chart. Let me draw our Fibonacci again. Okay, at our 4-hour chart, this level is aligned perfectly with 38.2. So another strong confirmation. Okay, so let's recap. Although no, before we recap, let's have a look, because once we are talking about these levels, it's worth noticing that a little bit deeper at 88.6, we have a level from 4-hour chart as well. So only $1.50 away, it's 88.6. So there might be a rebound here and then a further drop to this level. So just bear in mind, this is quite far in the distance, because we are on 4-hour charts now, one daily chart over here, so it might happen just in a few days, few weeks maybe. We should watch, but remember about these levels. Yeah, so let's recap. A possible Gartley formation. This time we are not waiting for the D point. We want to get advantage of the 38.2 and sell it off 1,316. Of course, watch the price. What's the price doing here, and then make your decision based on that. Anyway, good luck guys, all the best with your trading, and make a lot of pips. Bye.